Elon Musk, the man who dreams of Mars. Hi friends. Welcome back to Duck Learns English. If a duck can learn English, you can too. Today, I want to tell you about one of the most interesting people in the world. His name is Elon Musk. Have you ever wondered who made electric cars cool? Or who wants to send people to Mars? That's Elon Musk. His story is amazing. Let's learn about him together. Part 1, Early Life. Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. His mother was a model from Canada. His father was an engineer from South Africa. When Elon was just 10 years old, his parents got divorced. This was a hard time for young Elon. As a child, Elon loved to read books. He would read for up to 10 hours every day. He was a quiet boy. Other kids sometimes bullied him at school. But Elon had a special gift. He was very good with computers. At age 12, he taught himself computer programming. He even created his own video game called Blastar. He sold it for $500. That was a lot of money for a 12-year-old boy. Elon went to Waterkloof House Preparatory School. Later, he attended Bryanston High School and Pretoria Boys High School. I think it's amazing that Elon taught himself programming at such a young age. What skill would you like to teach yourself? Part 2, Moving to North America. Elon didn't want to serve in the South African military. It was required for all young men at that time. So in 1989, when he was 17, Elon moved to Canada. His mother was Canadian, which helped him move there. Indiana, Canada, Elon went to Queen's University. But he didn't stay there long. After 2 years, he moved to the United States. He went to the University of Pennsylvania. At university, Elon studied business and physics. He earned 2 bachelor's degrees in 1997. I admire how brave Elon was to move to a new country at just 17. Have you ever lived in a different country? Part 3, First Business Success. After college, Elon had a big decision to make. He was accepted into a PhD program at Stanford University. But he had another idea. The internet was just starting to grow. Elon saw a big opportunity. So after just 2 days at Stanford, Elon dropped out. He wanted to start his own internet company. In 1995, Elon and his brother Kimball started a company called Zip2. It was like an online city guide for newspapers. Elon worked very hard on Zip2. He often slept at the office and showered at the YMCA. He did all the coding for the company himself. He worked day and night to make his company successful. In 1999, a big computer company called Compaq bought Zip2 for $307 million. Elon received $22 million from this sale. He was only 28 years old and already a millionaire. I am impressed by how hard Elon worked for his first company. What do you think makes someone a hard worker? Part 4, PayPal and more success. With the money from Zip2, Elon started a new company in 1999. It was called XCOM. This was an online bank. It was one of the first internet banks ever. In 2000, XCOM merged with another company called Confinity. Together they became PayPal. PayPal is a service that helps people send money through the internet. Many of you probably use it today. Elon helped create PayPal, but he didn't work alone. He worked with a team of smart people. Some of them later started other famous companies like YouTube and LinkedIn. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion. Elon owned 11.7% of PayPal. So he received $175.8 million from this sale. Now he was very rich. I think it's interesting how Elon saw the future of online payments before many others. Part 5, SpaceX reaching for the stars. With his PayPal money, Elon could have retired. He was only 31 years old and very wealthy. But Elon had bigger dreams. He wanted to help humans travel to other planets. In 2002, Elon started a company called Space Exploration Technologies, or SpaceX for short. The goal was to make rockets that cost less money. This would make space travel cheaper. Many people thought Elon was crazy. The space industry was very difficult to enter. Only big governments like the USA and Russia had succeeded in space travel. The first 3 SpaceX rocket launches failed. Elon almost ran out of money. But in 2008, the 4th rocket launch worked. SpaceX got a $1.6 billion contract from NASA. Today, SpaceX is very successful. But it was the first private company to send astronauts to the International Space Station. Elon still wants to send people to Mars someday. He thinks humans should become a multi-planetary species. I find Elon's space dreams fascinating. Would you want to travel to Mars if you could? Tell me in the comments. Part 6, Tesla electric car revolution. In 2004, Elon invested in a small car company called Tesla Motors. The company wanted to make electric cars. Elon put $6.5 million into Tesla. He became the chairman of the company. Many people don't know that Elon didn't start Tesla. Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning founded the company in 2003. But Elon became very involved in Tesla. In 2008, he became the CEO. Tesla had many problems in the early years. Making cars is very difficult and expensive. The 2008 financial crisis made things worse. Tesla almost went bankrupt. Elon put almost all his remaining money into Tesla. He even had to borrow money to pay his rent. That shows how much he believed in electric cars. Slowly, Tesla started to succeed. In 2012, they released the Model S. This car won many awards. People started to see that electric cars could be cool and fun to drive. Today, Tesla is worth more than many old car companies combined. Tesla has helped make electric cars popular around the world. This is good for our planet because electric cars produce less pollution. I think it's amazing how Elon risked everything for Tesla. Have you ever seen a Tesla car in your city? Part 7, More companies and ideas. Elon Musk doesn't stop with just SpaceX and Tesla. He has started or helped start many other companies. In 2006, Elon helped create Solar City, a company that makes solar panels for homes and businesses. Tesla bought Solar City in 2016. Now Tesla can offer both electric cars and solar energy. In 2016, Elon started Neuralink. This company is working on technology that connects human brains to computers. It sounds like science fiction, but they are making real progress. Also in 2016, Elon started the Boring Company. This company digs tunnels under cities to help solve traffic problems. The name is a funny joke because digging tunnels is boring work. In 2022, Elon bought Twitter for $44 billion. He renamed it to X. This was one of the biggest tech deals ever. Many people were surprised by this move. Part 8, Personal Life. Elon's personal life has been as interesting as his business life. He has been married and divorced several times. He has many children. Some have very unusual names. Elon works extremely hard. He often works 80 to 100 hours per week. He splits his time between his different companies. He doesn't take many vacations. Elon has become very rich. As of May 2025, his net worth is about $424.7 billion. This makes him the richest person in the world. But Elon says he doesn't care much about money for himself. He lives in a small house most of the time. He says he wants to use his money to make humans a multi-planetary species. I wonder what it would be like to be so rich. What would you do if you had billions of dollars? Part 9, Controversies and Criticism. Not everyone likes Elon Musk. Some people criticize him for the way he runs his companies. Workers at Tesla have complained about long hours and difficult working conditions. Elon sometimes says controversial things on social media. His tweets have gotten him into trouble several times. In 2018, he had to pay a $20 million fine because of tweets about Tesla. Some people think Elon promises too much and delivers too little. They say he announces big ideas but doesn't always make them happen. Others say he has changed the world in positive ways with his companies. Part 10, Lessons from Elon's Life. What can we learn from Elon Musk's life? I think there are several important lessons. First, Elon shows the power of big dreams. He doesn't think small. He wants to change the world in big ways. He dreams about electric cars, space travel, and brain computers. Second, Elon works extremely hard. He doesn't give up when things get difficult. When his rockets failed or Tesla almost went bankrupt, he kept going. Third, Elon is willing to take big risks. He put all his money into his companies when they were struggling. Most people would not risk everything like that. Fourth, Elon thinks long-term. He doesn't just want quick profits. He wants to solve big problems that affect humanity's future. This kind of thinking is rare in business. I admire how Elon follows his dreams despite difficulties. What dream would you never give up on, no matter what? Part 11, Final Thoughts. Love him or hate him, Elon Musk has changed our world. Electric cars, private space travel, online payments. Elon has helped make all these things possible. His life shows us that one person can make a big difference. With hard work, big dreams, and determination, amazing things are possible. Will Elon succeed in sending humans to Mars? Will his brain-computer technology work? Will his tunnel solve traffic problems? We don't know yet. But it will be interesting to watch. I hope you enjoyed learning about Elon Musk today. His story is a great example of how English can help you learn about interesting people. Here at Duck Learns English, we believe in dreaming big, just like Elon. If a duck can learn English, you can reach your dreams too. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to Duck Learns English for more interesting stories. And remember, learning English is a journey. Take one small step every day, and soon you'll reach the stars.